Welcome back to Ask Mack. Today, we analyze a 2024 Lexus GX 550 Luxury Plus listed at Copart Cleveland East with an estimated clean retail value of $84,289. The current bid stands at $90, under a salvage title. On paper, an $84,000 luxury off-roader selling at salvage prices seems like an incredible opportunity. However, current model salvage vehicles carry severe risk regarding parts availability and electronic calibration. Today, we conduct a complete forensic appraisal to verify if this twin-turbo SUV is a profitable rebuild candidate or a costly financial mistake. I am Mack, certified damage appraiser and forensic salvage analyst. On this channel, we do not rely on auction hype or speculative repair estimates. We evaluate salvage listings using objective physical evidence, component-level inspection, and structural damage analysis. In this episode, we examine lot number 62822506. We will inspect the frame alignment, verify engine operational status, itemize replacement parts, and break down the complete financial math across both personal ownership and resale scenarios. Every technical conclusion presented here is categorized strictly by verifiable evidence tiers, so you can make data-driven investment decisions. Let us review the verified listing data for this 2024 Lexus GX 550 Luxury Plus. The vehicle features a white exterior and black interior, with 25,470 miles recorded. Power is delivered by a 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 connected to an automatic four-wheel drive transmission. Listed under an Ohio salvage title, primary damage is classified as front end, with secondary minor scratches. Most importantly, run and drive status is verified, with engine startup and gear engagement confirmed at the auction yard. Examining the front-end damage zone, visual evidence confirms a localized impact concentrated on the front left quadrant. The front bumper cover is completely fractured and detached. The left headlight assembly is destroyed and missing, while the right headlight is displaced from its mounting brackets. The steel crash bar impact beam is directly exposed and shows lateral deformation from direct energy transfer. The aluminum hood is buckled along its front leading edge, causing uneven panel alignment against the left front fender. Crucially, inspection of the primary frame rails and strut towers reveals no visible buckling, cracking, or severe structural distortion. Energy absorption remained contained within the forward bolt-on crash structure. Moving to the mechanical forensic analysis, the 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 engine starts and idles under its own power, with transmission engagement verified. However, startup confirmation does not guarantee long-term cooling or mechanical integrity. Front-end impact forces crushed the air conditioning condenser and pushed the main radiator core backward. Although the engine block and turbochargers remain free from direct physical impact, the damaged cooling stack prevents prolonged engine operation. Based on my review of the startup footage and mechanical engineering standards, the engine operates smoothly without audible rod knock or valve train noise, but a full cooling pressure test remains mandatory prior to extended running. Rebuilding this GX 550 requires a detailed, itemized parts breakdown. Major front-end body components include an OEM front bumper cover at $1,850, a left LED headlight assembly at $2,400, and a front fender at $750. The cooling package requires a radiator and AC condenser assembly totaling $1,200, plus a replacement steel crash bar at $650. Front radar sensors and wiring harness repairs account for $850. Combined with paint, body labor, and frame pulling, the total estimated repair cost is $12,300. Analyzing the financial metrics, clean retail value stands at $84,289, with a current bid of $90 as of auction capture. Closing costs total $4,158, including buyer fees, documentation, transport, and sales tax. Assuming a maximum purchase ceiling of $35,000 plus $12,300 in repairs, total investment reaches $51,458. Under Scenario A, for personal use, this represents $32,831 in savings versus retail. Under Scenario B, for resale, with rebuilt market value at $63,200, projected resale margin is $11,742. The market demand for the 2024 Lexus GX 550 is currently at an all-time high across North America, with clean dealer retail units frequently selling above original sticker price. Private party transactions remain sparse due to limited vehicle supply. However, rebuilt title units naturally suffer a 20 to 25% market valuation discount. Buyers in the rebuilt segment face stricter financing requirements, higher insurance underwriting scrutiny, and potential resale friction. Despite these title brand penalties, strong enthusiast demand for the new GX platform ensures rapid liquidity if the structural alignment and electronic safety systems are restored to factory standards. Calm. When appraising modern luxury salvage vehicles, understanding advanced driver assistance systems is essential. The front impact on this Lexus disrupted the millimeter wave radar sensor and front camera harness located behind the grille. Even if body panels are fitted perfectly, these safety modules require precision target calibration using specialized diagnostic equipment. Failing to account for ADAS recalibration in your initial budget can result in non-functional pre-collision systems and persistent dashboard error codes. Always factor $500 to $1,000 for professional sensor alignment when evaluating late-model front-end collisions. A common beginner mistake when bidding on current model year salvage cars is assuming fast OEM parts availability. Because the 2024 GX 550 is a newly released platform, secondary market salvage parts and aftermarket body panels are virtually non-existent. Buyers must purchase original components directly from Lexus dealer networks, where back orders can stall repairs for months. Stalled projects incur storage costs, holding expenses, and delayed capital return. Always verify dealership part numbers and component lead times before placing competitive bids on brand new vehicle models. Another critical mistake is failing to itemize auction fees and transport costs before calculating bid limits. Auction buyer fees on high-value vehicles scale aggressively, easily adding over $1,000 to the purchase price. When combined with gate fees, internet bidding surcharges, state documentation, transport freight, and local sales tax, total acquisition costs regularly exceed $4,000 over the hammer price. Bidders who ignore these mandatory fees quickly erode their anticipated profit margins before repair work even begins. Here is my final verdict on lot 6T822506. This 2024 Lexus GX 550 Luxury Plus is classified as a buy candidate. The physical evidence confirms that structural integrity is preserved, airbags are intact, and the engine starts and engages gear. With an estimated repair budget of $12,300 and closing costs around $4,000, staying below a $35,000 bid ceiling secures substantial equity for personal driving or resale profit. Recapping the forensic evidence. Photo 1 confirms front bumper destruction and left headlight loss, while verifying intact frame rail ends. Vano motor inspection confirms the 3.4-liter twin-turbo engine is free of structural block damage. Dashboard photos verify airbag non-deployment and 25,470 miles. Compare the front-end damage on screen with our stock reference photo showing the factory clean condition. This unit requires localized body and cooling repair rather than structural restoration. Calm. If you value forensic salvage appraisals grounded in verified data rather than auction hype, subscribe to Ask Mack. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on this GX 550 rebuild project and visit our channel for more technical damage analyses. Inspect every lot, verify the evidence, and bid smartly.